You ever see male models and all these influencers all over social media and you wonder how their hair looks so freaking sick? You want hair just like this, but you don't know exactly how to get it. Well, today is actually going to be one of my most highly requested videos. It's going to be a full male model hairstyle tutorial. So I'm going to tell you step by step how to have perfect, immaculate hair, just like a male model. Without further ado, let's get it. Now before we actually get into the tutorial, the most important thing other than styling the hair, everything is actually going to be the health of the hair. First of all, you need a very good diet. More specifically, a diet high in saturated fats and proteins. If you do not have enough fats and proteins, you will not be able to produce healthy hair. Have you ever seen like a vegan's hair? It's all frail and nasty because they don't have enough sufficient protein to actually grow healthy hair. So that's step number one. You got to get the diet on point. Step number two is going to be the shampoo. Now people always ask me, what shampoo to use, Austin? Well, I'm always actually changing my shampoo because I'm always moving, I'm always going to different countries, so I have access to different products all the time. This, I got it in Thailand. Now this is going to be all natural shampoo and conditioner and has 10 Chinese herbs. That's actually going to be very healthy for the hair and more specifically the scalp. Now, there are no sulfates, no chemicals, anything like that. I picked this up from Sephora, 20 bucks for like the package. So you gotta have really good shampoo. Don't put all that toxic chemicals and stuff on your scalp because then your hair is just gonna look like crap. And also remember, don't overly wash the hair. I only wash my hair perhaps maybe once a week. If it's getting pretty rough, sometimes twice a week, but for the most part, roughly about every week. Now we also need to consider hair growth. Now a lot of you guys actually are not doing things to promote healthy hair growth. So this is going to be the best all natural way because we can talk about minoxidil, finasteride, but that shit has so many side effects. This is all natural. So first off, we got the derma roller, which has been scientifically proven to be more effective than minoxidil. It's actually very insane. So twice a week, I want you to derma roll with a 1.5 millimeter derma roller. So you can go either just over the temples or you can go all over the scalp. This is going to promote hair growth. I do this twice a week. It's a new protocol. So if I see any new little baby hairs, I will be sure to share that with you. Then immediately after, I actually apply my own kalosique hair growth oil. This has rosemary and essential oils that help promote hair growth. So I'll put it on those spots that I rolled, and overall is very good for hair growth. Now we have the actual cut. So what does a male model haircut consist of? Well, you will never ever see a male model with a fade, with a buzz cut. This shit just does not work, man. Pretty much all male models have pretty much the same hairstyle. Mine's a little bit longer than the average male models, but they kind of all have that 90s Leonardo DiCaprio fringe. So as a male model, you want to be able to pull off different hairstyles. For example, you want to be able to do curtains, a fringe, and then a slick back. If you cannot do these three hairstyles, you're gonna have access to much less jobs. My current hairstyle is actually inspired from Johnny Depp. I will attach the photo right here. So if you want it a little bit longer than what the other male models are using, go for that hairstyle. Hairstyle number one is going to be the curtains. Now, we are actually using my own products. This is Kalosique Lockdown Pomade. Now, when it comes to hair products, the key essential is to not put any chemicals in the hair, man. I always tell you guys, all these products, they have chemicals that irritate the scalp. It's gonna cause hair loss, and your hair is not gonna look very good. I'm not gonna lie to you, so always go natural. This one specifically has cocoa butter, castor oil, and essential oil, so it's very healthy. So we just get a little tea-size amount, and you want to make sure that the hair is dry. And you can use a hair dryer to set the part in place, but I've been parting my hair for years now, so I don't actually have to do that. So we just take this, put it in the palms, and then we're just gonna put it all throughout the hair. So to get some more volume, I like to slick it all the way back, kind of like I'm just gonna do a slick back hairstyle, just like that, and then find where I actually part it, and then bring it down just like this. And then you want to make sure that the sides and back are slicked back because they are going to be scissor cut, so they're not buzzed. So this is pretty much how the curtains are supposed to look. And if you want to, you can make it a little bit messy. Go with the messy curtains. You can literally just shake your head just like I did, and you get the messy curtains. So that is hairstyle number one. Hairstyle number two is what you guys actually see me rocking the most. It's kind of frowned upon in the modeling industry, actually.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
It's just my personal favorite, so it's going to be the fringe and the TikTok hairstyle. So for this one, we need a sea salt spray, but one that's not going to dry out the scalp. So many sea salt sprays, it's literally just water and sea salt, which is going to dry out the scalp. Or a lot of people also use the powders. Once again, it dries out the scalp. Once the scalp gets too dry, boom, 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 hair loss is going to come. This one is once again my kalosique sea salt spray. This has literally avocado oil, lavender, tea tree oil, and rosemary. All have been scientifically proven to actually promote more hair growth and moisturize, and it's going to smell freaking amazing. So very simple. We're just going to squirt all over and see we're already getting that volume. And this actually helps if the hair is a little bit damp to begin with. So literally just like that, and then you crunch it up. If you have a blow dryer, you can actually kind of do it like this and then blow dry it so it goes upwards. But this is my favorite hairstyle. Girls seem to really respond very well to this as well. That's the end of the video, man. Obviously, the TikTok hairstyle is freaking popular. It's so crazy right now. So if you want to try the new hair, but I get a lot of hate for this hairstyle all the time because it's associated with the TikTok fuckboys. But fun fact, I actually rocked this hairstyle in 2019 before the hairstyle was even popular. I've always just enjoyed it, man. It makes me feel like a super saiyan, if I'm being completely honest. And the last male model hairstyle is for my classy lads out there. We are gonna do a slick back. So we can either do a dried slick back. So this is a wet brush. You just take the wet brush, comb it all the way back. So this is what we're rocking with just the sea salt spray and the pomade. Honestly, this is my least favorite hairstyle out of all three of them. It's much too professional for me. I don't like being overly professional if you have not noticed, but it is a good hairstyle. But we are going to put some product on. So I have a wet brush, and I'm just going to wet the hair first because we are going for a wet, slicked back look. Now we actually need hair gel for this one, so once again my own hair gel, kalosique hair gel. Most hair gels have alcohol. Alcohol is going to dry out the scalp, leading to more hair loss. So we have this one with alcohol free. It is completely natural. Once again, smells amazing. This is what it looks like. We're just going to take a little teaspoon size amount, rub it in the hands, and now we can just kind of comb it back. And this is what we are left with, a very classy professional look. Now it will dry a little bit. I just set it into place so it will have a little crunchy feel. I'm just going to attach a photo of what I look like with the completely dried. But this is how it looks wet. So this is a very professional look if you're going to work. If you want to look extra fancy on a date or a night out, this is the hairstyle to do it. So these three hairstyles, in my opinion, are the most aesthetic hairstyles any man should go for. When it comes to the buzz cut, the fade, long hair, I don't fuck with that. I fuck with these three hairstyles, nothing else. These mog everything, man. So that's it. Subscribe if you're new. I love you with all my heart. Peace.